So hey guys, how are you doing? I'm back with another video for IT blogging channel, and the latest news is coming from the cyberpunk world. Cyberpunk 2077, as we all know that the game has been a great game for the last few months. There is a hype for this game, but this game has been delisted from Sony's PlayStation Store. Oh my god. And the people who has bought the game are getting refunds, it seems. So this is a really big blow to Cyberpunk and to the game owner, which is the CD Projekt Red. So game developer CD Projekt Red has got a real tough time in 2020 and the shares are dropping. The shares of this company has dropped a significant around big numbers. So you can check that in this blog which XDA has posted, and in the Cyberpunk 2077 website also they have posted something. So why this has got blocked is an interesting reason, because the game has some really horrible graphics, it seems, and really bad bugs in the game. That's why it has been delisted as per the latest update from the Sony PlayStation Arena. So really big blow to the Cyberpunk game, and it seems like people are getting refund for this. Yeah, people are getting no question refund from Sony for this. And gamers can still buy physical versions of the game, as you can see here, in retail and mail order stores. All copies, whether digital or physical, will continue to receive support and updates from the company. So completion of the refunds are being initiated for most of the people, and there is a dip in the shares also for this game company. I will tell you how much the dip is. The dip is a significant one, and yeah, it's about 50% of share dip, forcing the company to have an emergency meeting with the investors. So really big blow. And Cyberpunk, as we all know, that it has been a great hype between the Cyberpunk game, and people are really reacting good positively before the release, but after the release it seems that the actual reason for this is obviously you can see here that strives to ensure a high level of customer satisfaction. We will processing refund here, but the game is now facing delisting. This comes so the real reason is for the horrific graphics and really bad bugs in the game, it seems, because we all know that many people are trying to play this game, but this game has some really bad graphics in there, and we have all seen those in the videos. So and letter of apology has also been released by the game developers, and suggesting that the 2 large patches will be released in the month of January and February, which will fix the prominent problems gamers are facing on last-gen consoles. So PC and next gen, we definitely did not looking at that. I would not say, yeah. So here you can see the actual reason. The actual reason is Cyberpunk 2077 has faced massive backlash from the gaming community, especially older gen console players, who have complained about the game being riddled with various bugs and horrible graphics. So here it goes, guys. Earlier this week, share prices of developer CD Projekt Red had slipped high after 50% that the company have an emergency meeting with the investors to figure out what went wrong. So this is a really bad situation for the game. Hope it will be fixed in the coming years. So I wanted to update you with this news, guys, because Cyberpunk has been a really game which I wanted to play, and I have already seen playing a lot of YouTubers, and they are also facing a lot of problems and bugs, and many things are not at all good in this game. Like, you have to find a way. The ways are not that much easy to find, and many bugs are there we have all seen. So really fingers crossed, we are waiting for this game to be fixed, and I will definitely play this game for you once it is released, or in the future once it is released with the patches and everything is gets fixed and all. So thank you guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notifications. Thank you guys, have a